This is our first question. Solve the equation modulus 5x minus 3 equals to negative 3x plus 13. So the modulus sign here, the two strict line at the beginning at the end of the expression 5x minus 3 tells you this is a modulus equation. We first understand that the modulus expression here actually means a positive and negative values of whatever is inside this bracket, and in this case it's positive negative bracket 5x minus 3. So basically the modulus expression here is just a short form of this thing, of this expression over here, and this expression can be rewritten as this two different expression here. And then the traditional way of solving this question is simply to substitute these two different expression into here. So you get rid of the modulus part. You write down two different equations with one side, the left hand side as 5x minus 3 while the other as negative 5x plus 3. To get all 3 marks for this question, you need to find out the value of x, the different values of x, by continue solving these two equations. But there's another more straightforward way as well, in my opinion at least, and by using this way you may actually make less mistake. And these methods which I usually use is to simply square both sides of this equation. Notice that by squaring both sides of this equation, you will get rid of this plus and minus sign over here. Because squaring the positive value, any positive value, you will still get positive value, but squaring a negative value, you will also get a positive value. To use this method, where you square both sides to get rid of the modulus, the two straight line over here. So you're squaring this both sides, you expand both brackets. So on right hand side, you'll be getting 25x squared minus 15x minus 15x plus 9. Then on the left hand side, you will get 9x squared minus 39x minus 39x plus 169. You just continue solve this equation in the usual way by moving everything from one side to the other side. So in this case, I move everything on right hand side to the left hand side. So I move the positive 9x squared over here to the right hand side, so it becomes negative 9x squared. Because I moved everything from the right hand side to the left hand side, now the right hand side is equals to 0. Now after that, I simplify my equation further. I get a quadratic equation here, and when you get a quadratic equation, you just have to factorize it. Then you will get the answer for your x. To make my factorization easier, I will usually simplify this equation further first. In this case, I divide my equation by 16 because I want to get rid of the 16 at the front of this x squared. So 16 divided by 16, you get 1. And 48 divided by 16, you get 3, and negative 160 divided by 16, you get negative 10. And then so you get this really simple x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0, this equation. Then you proceed on factorization, where you can be written as this form, where two brackets multiplied together, you get the value 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0. So x must be negative 5, and x minus 2 is 0, so x must be 2.